Hello and welcome back to Single Malt Lover. If you're new to the channel, my name is Reswell and I post videos weekly on how to do easy cocktails at home. If you haven't seen my previous video, check the link in the description below or you can check it somewhere up here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do baby Guinness. I'm sure there are many Guinness lovers out there and you would like to know how this baby Guinness is made. This shot is based with Kahlúa and Baileys. So again, take your shot glass, add about 45 ml or more of Kahlúa and top it up with Baileys. So take your coffee liqueur. You can use any coffee liqueur that you have at home. I'll be using a San Andre. Pour it in. Here you go. Now we just need to float the Baileys. So take your bar spoon or whatever do you have and just give it a nice slow little pour. That's it, baby Guinness. Cheers, enjoy. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Drop me a comment if you want to see more videos or any other different videos that you want. Until then, peace and enjoy. Cheers.